Unleash the full potential of your Apple Watch with Cricket wireless cellular activation, and never miss a beat, even without your iPhone. Today, we're diving into a step-by-step guide to seamlessly activate cellular on your Apple Watch with your existing Cricket wireless plan. First, grab your iPhone and open the Watch app, scroll down, and tap on the cellular option. This is where the magic happens. You'll see an option to set up cellular. Tap on this to begin the activation process. The app will then prompt you to sign in with your Cricket wireless account. Enter your username and password to link your service. Next, you'll be presented with Cricket Wireless's terms and conditions. Take a moment to review these, and then accept them to proceed. Now, you'll need to select the specific cellular plan for your Apple Watch. Cricket typically offers a straightforward option for smartwatch activation. Choose the one that best suits your needs. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm your selection. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your Apple Watch Cellular has been successfully activated. Once activated, you'll see a cellular signal icon on your Apple Watch, indicating it's ready to go. This means you can now make and receive calls, send texts, and use data directly from your wrist, even when your iPhone is left behind. Enjoy the freedom of making calls, sending texts, and accessing your favorite apps, all from your Apple Watch, thanks to your Cricket wireless cellular connection. That's it, you've successfully activated your Apple Watch Cellular with Cricket wireless. Experience true mobile freedom today.